Hi everyone, it's been a little bit over a month since we released Spatial Studio 23.2, and in this video we will highlight a couple of the new features of this release. To everyone new to Oracle Spatial Studio, it provides no-code access to the geospatial capabilities of Autonomous Database. Analysts can now utilize Redlining Tools to mark up maps, highlight points of interest, or mark unusual activities for further exploration. Redlining refers to ad hoc drawing on maps and is useful for communicating locations and areas of importance. For example, locations of unusual activity or areas needing detailed investigation. Spatial Studio now supports creating redlining shapes like lines, circles, rectangles, and polygons on your data. You may style these shapes, add descriptions, and export them as GeoJSON. Developers will find the ability to embed Spatial Studio maps into external web applications interesting. We have added a native web component for embedding Spatial Studio maps into other applications. An embedded map includes interactive behaviors. For example, you can embed a map and configure your application to invoke an action or detailed report based on a user clicking an item on the map. You can now upload icons and use them to represent point data on the map. For example, you can display your office location on an interactive map using your company's logo or show locations of interest using symbols aligned with your corporate standards. The animation of spatial temporal data has been expanded for real time to include historical data. The only requirement is that your spatial data consists of a UTC date or timestamp. As with real-time data, the style of moving objects and their tails in historical data movement is fully configurable. You can also generate line connecting coordinate pairs. You can create lines displayed as straight lines or as geodesic lines which follow the path along the Earth's surface. Geodesic lines appear curved on the screen and are commonly associated with real-world trajectories such as flight paths. There are many more new features in the Spatial Studio 23.2 release, so we encourage you to explore them. Check the links in the description to do so. Thank you for watching and see you very soon.